Jadoo.
Yes. Lightweight. Look at that. And you guys go flying down. That's the wrong answer.
Welcome to Ghania Science Academy. I'm your host, Sunaira Sheikh. We will be welcoming the science expert. Please give it up for Dr. Ria Thurot. In today's episode, we'll be talking about brightness and hydration. What is India's secret for a bright skin? It is Garnier's Bright Complete Serum. Because इस serum के अंदर है Vit C plus niacinamide plus DHA. Right now, audience, let's plus up your moods by welcoming on stage Vedang Rana and Rasha Thadane. Stay with us. Keep it going as I take my stage. Yes, woo! We're going to have two very special people joining us. Please welcome on stage Unnati Malharkar and Manav Chabra. Thank you so much for joining us. You guys know why you guys are here, right? We're going to be playing game.
Let's go.
This game is called See the Difference. So you guys are going to be in teams. For example, Rasha picks up the chit. She knows उसपे क्या लिखा है. She'll be drawing, and the teammate will be guessing what it is. There is a twist because Manav, you're going to be paired up with Rasha. And Vedang, you're going to be paired up with Unnati.
Oh my God.
Only for this, man. You know, like.
We're splitting you guys for the internet to talk about it.
Okay. Hello, teammate.
Thank you.
Between you, who wants to go? Manav?
Okay. Come on.
All right.
Give it up for Manav, everyone. Yes.
Rasha, look over here.
Just show what's in there. That's right. That's a tough one. Manav, that's a tough one.
Oh my God. You don't be impartial to Emma. You have to distract him.
No.
We're gonna go.
Face.
Yes. Aloo.
Egg.
Aloo.
Kuch
Anda.
bhi na.
Anda. Omelette. Sunny side up.
Sun.
Jadoo.
Vitamin C.
क्या हो रहा है? Whiskers.
Yeah, even this actually looks like whiskers.
That's a
Stick. That is a stick.
We can count down from 10 now.
Yes. 9, 8,
9,
7. I don't know how to explain that.
Aloe, down, vitamin C. Oh, glow.
Yeah. Oh my God. That was a no. I put the buzzer. Listen. I put the buzzer. No. I put the buzzer on.
Vedang, you go.
Yeah. Come on.
Get up for Vedang, everyone.
All right. What do we have here? That's pretty
tough.
bad.
It's a
How do you
tough
even do
one.
that? Okay, ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What is this?
It's a seaweed.
A leaf.
Seaweed.
Birds. Sun. You guys have nothing to worry about. This is very far away. Do
But
not
no,
start the
I'm
timer.
bowling
This
is
is fun.
Vedang, I'm feeling bad now. Come on.
Bird.
Okay, what if I try and help him?
Okay, we'll guess.
Feathers.
Yes.
Feathers.
Ha,
You.
so, okay, I'm not gonna speak.
What? Why? How?
Now we're getting there.
1 second.
Now we're getting there. Feather glow? Yeah, wow.
Idea.
Very good job, huh? Killed it.
Can you
Yeah,
move
I'll sit. No, I'll sit now. Let's watch.
Light.
Oh.
Lightweight.
Yes.
Lightweight was the word.
Work smart, not
Okay,
hard.
fair enough.
Vedang, thank you so much for being the Picasso. Thank you.
Congratulations.
And now the torture test. Welcome to torture test. हमको पता है torture test क्या है. We use science to really prove how effective Garnier is. Over to you, Dr. Ria.
Okay, so what we're going to do is take a few drops of iodine and put it in the beaker. Yeah.
That looks very interesting.
Okay.
Now, you just want to, stir it.
It's dissolving.
It's Now what we want to do is take the serum and put a few drops in it.
Okay. Now it's Garnier.
It's loaded already.
Garnier. Garnier. Garnier.
And I'm gonna mix it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that. That is Look at
Visibly different. So much lighter.
Yeah.
Come on.
This can only happen when your vitamin C is active. That means that the serum is going to give you brighter skin. So basically, your vitamin C is going to convert your iodine to iodide. And iodide is clear, so you know that vitamin C is actually working.
Chemistry, it's been a while.
This was amazing. The torture test has been amazing. Now we move on to my favorite segment, which is games, everyone. It is time for Bright or Buy. It's my favorite game. I'll ask you some questions. Basically, if they give the right answer, they're safe. But if they give the wrong answer, they will fall.
I'm gonna press this buzzer and you guys go flying down.
That's right. That's why Rasha is here with me. Let's start the game. The first question is to Unnati. Can people with sensitive skin use vitamin C? Of course, yes. That's the correct answer.
Unfortunately, you're correct.
The second question we're going to ask Vedang. Vedang, vitamin C serum should only be used at night. True or false?
False.
That's the correct
Good one.
answer, unfortunately, Rasha.
This is not so much fun.
This one's a tricky question. Manav, if you get this question wrong, aap gir jaoge.
Come on,
Question
come on.
is, Manav, how many days does Garnier Bright Complete Serum take to brighten your skin?
I know it's lesser than a week.
Come on, Manav, you know it.
Are you gonna fall?
5 days.
That was really sad. It's just Vedang and Unnati on stage
You know,
now.
I feel like we're
Yeah.
being too nice to them.
That's true.
What do you mean?
I have a question starting for Vedang.
Ooh.
I don't like this. I'm not getting a good feeling.
What is my favorite Garnier product?
Ooh.
Sorry?
Is it option number 1, the Super UV Mist, or the Vitamin C plus serum?
Oh my
That's
What?
a good one, audience. That's a good one, audience.
How will I know your favorite product?
Audience, what do you think? Is it an easy question?
Easy.
Easy, 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 easy.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Come on, Vedang, you have 5 seconds.
Okay.
Five.
No.
4.
Miss.
I'm sorry, what? Hold on. What?
Missed.
Mist.
The mist?
Yeah.
What is the right answer?
Well, Vedang, unfortunately that's wrong because they both are my favorite products.
No. That's unfair.
Oh my god!
Guys, I know that was brutal, but to wrap up this episode, let me bring your attention back to Garnier's Bright Complete Serum. आज हमने सीखा that it is India's #1 serum. इसमें है विटामिन C, it has niacinamide, it has BHA और ये आपकी स्किन ब्राइटन करता है in 3 days. Thank you so much everyone. This is Rasha